Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time off and vacation requests in Clickup. This process will streamline the way you handle leave requests in your workspace, keeping everything organized, efficient, and easy to track. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Clickup website, your all-in-one platform for managing work. If you haven't already logged in, click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. For those using Google accounts, you can select Sign In with Google and choose the account linked to your Clickup workspace. This gives you direct access to your dashboard and ensures all your tasks and projects are synced properly. Once logged in, navigate to any list within your workspace. At the top corner of the list, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Templates. This section contains ready-made solutions designed to simplify specific tasks like managing time off requests. Next, click on Browse Templates. In the search bar, type in Time Off to narrow down the options to templates specifically crafted for leave management. Among the results, you should see a template named Time Off Request. Hover over it and click Quick Use to integrate it into your list immediately. This template acts as a dedicated tracker for all incoming leave requests, making the process straightforward and efficient. Once the template is applied, locate the newly created Time Off Request task within your list. Click on the 3 dots next to the task title to bring up additional options. Here, you can select Rename to personalize the task name, aligning it with your team's terminology or style. This ensures the template feels naturally integrated into your workflow. After renaming, take a moment to edit the template according to your organization's specific needs. You can add custom fields, adjust task details, or include any information relevant to your team. This level of customization ensures the template captures exactly what you need to manage requests effectively, and there you have it. A quick and efficient way to handle time off and vacation requests in Clickup. By regularly checking this task, you'll stay ahead in managing team availability, avoid scheduling conflicts, and maintain a smooth workflow. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps make your Clickup workspace more organized and your workflow more productive. Stay on top of your tasks, manage your team efficiently, and see you in the next video. Happy organizing!